Fire in the hole, let's cook a pastrami. Hey, I got something Cat's Deli don't got. I got wood smoke. See that wood down there? Shut up, dog. Alright, let's get this going. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. I've got the neighbors' dogs are losing their minds, so you're probably going to hear some barking. I apologize, there's nothing I can do about it. Anyway, what I got going on for you today is this is a corned beef that I got at the grocery store, and it looks very unappetizing right now because I've been soaking it in water for 48 hours to get that sodium nitrate stuff that was on the corned beef out of it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it into a pastrami. We're going to take some of the old Tsang stir-fry oil, you know all about that, and slather it down. That's my binder. It's what I use for a binder whenever I make anything, ribs, brisket, whatever. That's what I use for a binder. Anyway, what I'm going to rub this thing with is, I made some rub from this. This is pickling spice. You get this, I got this on Amazon, pickling spice. Now, pickling spice has got everything in it for pastrami except black pepper, black peppercorns. It's got mustard seed, coriander seed, dill seed, allspice, peppercorns, bay leaves, and chili peppers. But it lacks the black pepper. So I added black pepper to the rub. I ground it up real fine, not real fine, but you know, sort of semi-fine. You can see how that is. And we're going to rub that thing with it, with this pickling spice with the black pepper that's been added to it. Going to rub it real good with that. Going to flip it over and rub the fat cap as well with that pickling spice. Hit it with some Tsangs first. That's my binder. I saw somebody using mustard today. I don't know why they weren't using Tsangs. Looking at you, Big Dan. Anyway, yeah, that's your basic pastrami rub right there. I got to get all the edges of that and everything rubbed down with that. Then I'm going to get it in the pit barrel and put my temperature probe in it. And then we're going to cook it till we get to 160 degrees, and then we'll wrap it. So it's even starting to look like a pastrami now, isn't it? A little bit? Sort of. Yeah, it looks good now. Get it all covered up with that pickling spice. Rub down. I think I'm going to cook it with the fat cap up to begin with. And I don't know. I guess I'll keep the fat cap up for the whole cook. We're going to wrap it when we get to 160. Did I mention that? Anyway, it's starting to look like a pastrami now. Let me get it in the pit barrel and get my temperature probe in it and cook it to 160, and now when we come back I'll wrap it. So stay tuned. My pastrami's in the pit barrel getting smoked up. I got my temperature probe inserted, my Inkbird thermometer turned on. All I got to do now is get it up to 160 degrees and then we'll wrap it. Come right back, so stay tuned. My pastrami's looking excellent. It's at 160 degrees, so what I'm going to do now is get them in the pan with this little rack in here, and in the bottom of the pan I'm going to put a little bit beef broth, but not enough that it'll touch the pastrami, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. And what's going to happen with that is it's going to make steam, and it's actually going to steam that puppy, because I'm going to cover him with foil and cook him till he gets to 210 degrees, at which point we'll get him off there, we'll let him rest a little bit, and then we'll make a hot pastrami sandwich and drink a beer. So stay tuned. My pit barrel pastrami is done. We're going to take a taste of it in a minute. First, we got the Frosty Root Boy mug. Here's today's beer from the Parish Brewing Company, the Ghost in the Machine, a double India Pale Ale. I can't find the ABV on there anywhere, so I don't know what the ABV is, but there's only one way to find out. Oh hey, I got a new drinking buddy. My new drinking buddy is Rob from Barbecue Pit Dog. Oh boy, this stuff is looking good. This is a hazy double IPA, and I've botched the pour already, but at least I'm not going to overfoam. I botched that pour terribly. It's a hazy double IPA. It's beautiful. Look at that. The Ghost in the Machine from the Parish Brewing Company. Yeah, my new drinking buddy is Rob from the Barbecue Pit Dog Show. And I'll put an iCard where you can go check out his channel. Go check out Rob's channel. Rob has the Barbecue Pit Dog. He's got the best fed dog on YouTube. I don't know the dog's name. I should, but I don't. And go there, go see Rob. Check him out. And you'll see him feed his dog. He feeds his dog every day. Anyway, every day, every time he makes a video. Anyway, Rob, let's sniff the sniff off it. Rob, what do you think? Amazing. A beautiful double IPA. It's a hazy double IPA. I botched the pour on that one. I didn't spill it, but I got way too much head. Some frothy head. Rob, let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. Rob is standing in for Lassa. If Lassa shows back up, I don't know, we'll see. We might like Rob better. I don't know. But anyway, yeah. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. That is excellent. Wow. I'm blown away. Pour the rest of it in. It's a beautiful, hazy double IPA, and it's delicious. You can really detect the notes of citrus and hops in that. Let me get my pastrami over here and get a taste of it. It looks just like pastrami, doesn't it? You think Katz's Deli's got anything on me? I don't think so. Let's take a taste of that. Oh, so tender. I got some rye bread. I'm gonna make a pastrami on rye sandwich with this. This is awesome. Wow. That's really good. Very tender. That was a really beautiful corned beef brisket. It was almost a shame to do what I did to it. But no, it's delicious, really. That crust is excellent. And this corned beef brisket is delicious. So I gotta tell you, you know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm if you give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go open the iCard and visit Rob, the Barbecue Pit Dog. Rob's up in Middleburg, Florida, where I used to live. I don't live there anymore. We're down in South Florida now. But yeah, Rob's a good guy. He's a hell of a good cook. Go check him out. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but this is outstanding. Let me tell you what. I could eat this every day. Yeah, that's my video, babies. We'll see you next week. Maybe. Maybe the coronavirus will get me. Then you won't have to watch me anymore. That'd be a plus, right? Alright, babies. See you next week. Bye.